The Explorer. Today we're going to be having a pani poori party. What's going to be so the ingredients you'll need is a cup of semolina, which is as much as this cup. A cup of whole wheat flour. And a teaspoon of salt. Now we mix it up. My mom's going to pour in the, and you'll need a glass of sparkling water. Oh no, more water. My mom's actually going to help me with the sparkling water. Because once you start adding the...
So Gigi's going to pour it in, and bit by bit, and then I'm going to mix it. Come on.
Be careful not to spill. It's more better to do it from the... This may be a bit messy.
It's only water, that's fine. Okay.
Done that. Let's keep on mixing. Ew, it feels like a kinetic stand.
It does actually.
Look how doughy it is. It's so like kinetic stand, like slime almost.
I believe into it.
More.
No, I think it's fine.
Now you need to wash your hands after once you've finished doing the dough.
And in the
I'll
meantime,
be right back.
Mama will keep
Mixing.
kneading the dough.
The key. Always remember, when you're washing your hands, always wash your hands with hot water. You don't want your parents to feel cold hands. They'll freak out. And always remember, do it for 20 seconds. Meanwhile, yep, it's perfect. Once your dough is like fluffy and sticky, kind of like this. Get a wet cloth. Kind of sticky. It's kind of.
I think we can do it with the kitchen towel, Gigi. We don't need the wet cloth. No, we can do it with the kitchen towel. That's fine.
I'll show you. So after once you've kneaded it and roll it into a ball. My mom's kneading it a bit more. So then it's just like that. Something like that. Then soak away. Then you have a wet cloth. I'm just showing this cloth, but we're not actually going to use it.
So guys, we're going to leave this for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we're going to roll it out and fry it in a deep frying pan with frying oil.
Yep. Yeah, and Meanwhile, have an apple puree.
And Gigi will show you how to roll out the
Banana
puris
roller.
and fry it. For the sides, we've made a very nice. The Asian people who know this snack, this water, it looks very good. This kind of sauce or water, whatever you want to call it, is very spicy. It's got chaat masala in it, and tamarind paste, and water,
Yep.
and salt, and red chili powder. We have chickpeas and potatoes.
Which
with
is
it.
optional.
Potatoes are optional, but we always have chickpeas with it. So then we will show you how to create a real plate of pani poori.
Yes, and when
See you in 10 minutes.
Okay guys, 10 minutes has passed. So now we're going to be rolling them out. So here's one my mom just pressed and did that. So now we're rolling it. It has a bit of oil on it too, so then to make it more easier to roll. But obviously it is easy to roll. Always.
Okay, so when it's rolled, it looks like this. And
We have
look. And then
little
to have them
cutters.
the same size, to have them all the same size, you can use anything, how big you want to have it, and
Yeah. And then voila.
yeah, and this can go back with the rest of them.
We're gonna make
Now,
loads.
you can put it in the oil. Gigi?
One at a time.
Yeah.
Look at that! So cool! Now I'm gonna be doing this. Use a small cup. Find the other cup. We've got a very small square.
Okay, can we have some more?
Okay, this is good though. I really want to try this. I really want to try it.
Yeah, yes, you can. Good.
So yum. Yum's delicious. And when it was almost 10 minutes, when 10 minutes was almost past, I chopped up the
Oops.
the potatoes.
So guys, now Gigi's going to show you how you eat it. Let's make
I'm not
one.
gonna have it with the bunny. Or is it tiny?
Oh, it's very, very, very hot.
I don't believe you. I guess. They're not. For me, they're not. They're not.
So what you do is you
Make a
make
small
a
hole.
small hole in it, and
Take the
then
pani and
you put
the chickpeas.
whatever you want to put in there.
I'm putting the
Potato.
the potato and chickpeas in.
Yeah, little piece of potato.
I like potatoes with the salt.
Yeah,
Like
put a
salt.
little bit of potato.
So a bit of potato, and a little bit of chickpea.
Okay,
I'm
and
gonna-
when it gets
Salt. I'm a salt stealer. I love salt.
and he's going to put a little bit of
Salt.
salt. Okay.
No reason.
So you can eat it.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, you can hear the crunch.
Nice. I'm gonna have the potato. Potatoes good with salt.
Oops. It's alright. Is it nice?
Uh-huh.
How about if you get one for me, and then I can try that with
Bang.
the pani.
It feels steamy.
Yeah, it's hot.
I'll put it in.
Okay, can I have some pani in?
How much? This much?
More. yes, just pour it in. There we go, a little bit more. Guys, this is very spicy and tangy. And I'm going to put a
Potato
and a few
chickpeas.
chickpeas.
One more. And for
And
the
then,
record,
no. And then Gigi's going to have this. And then I'm going to have it like
it's so yummy. It's like so delicious. I love it. I like having. Oh, and this is just like a chapati.
This one's soft, yeah. Okay, so that was fun. There's going to be more fun because I'm going to make more, loads of them and eat them.
I'm making a little pocket. Look at me, guys. I'm making a pocket. Ow! Mama! Oh, guys, she's stepping on me like a dinosaur on a little chameleon.
That's nice. Great. So we're going to enjoy our pani puri. You guys enjoy whatever you were enjoying. So this was again a lovely, delicious
Pani, and it's a pani puri party. Stay safe. Bye.